Enabling biometric login on Cash App can enhance your security and make accessing your account more convenient. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account settings option, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. Scroll down to find the privacy and security section. Tap on it to access security features. Step 4. Enable biometric authentication. Look for the option labeled Biometric Lock or Enable Touch ID/Face ID. Toggle the switch to turn it on. Step 5. Confirm your choice. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Now you can enjoy the convenience of biometric login for quick access to your Cash App. Remember to keep your device secure for the best protection.